The origin of peanut butter banana pie is not precisely documented. Like some other culinary dishes, however, both peanut butter and bananas have been staples in American cuisine for quite some time. Peanut butter as we know it today was popularized in the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, particularly after the invention of modern manufacturing processes that made it more widely available. Bananas, on the other hand, became popular in the U.S. in the early 20th century due. The combination of peanut butter and bananas has been celebrated in American cuisine, famously enjoyed by Elvis Presley in his favorite sandwich, the Elvis sandwich or Fool's Gold Loaf, which featured peanut butter, bananas, and sometimes bacon. As for peanut butter banana pie, it likely emerged as a variation or adaptation of other pie recipes incorporating peanut butter and bananas, which had been enjoyed separately in various dessert forms for many years. Its exact origin remains unclear, but it's likely to have evolved over time in home. Peanut butter banana pie, like banana nut pie, can offer some health benefits depending on its ingredients and how it's prepared. Here are some potential health benefits. However, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and other ingredients used in the pie, such as added sugars, refined flours, and unhealthy fats, which can offset the potential health benefits. Enjoying peanut butter banana pie as part of a balanced diet and in moderation is key to reaping its bananas. Bananas are a good source of essential nutrients, such as potassium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and heart function, while vitamin B6 is important for brain health and vitamin C supports the immune system. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. It contains monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, peanut butter provides a decent amount of protein, which is essential for muscle. Protein. Peanut butter is a rich source of plant-based protein. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, as well as supporting immune function and hormone production. Fiber. Both bananas and peanut butter contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Vitamins and minerals. Peanut butter contains various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage, while magnesium is important for bone health and muscle function. Energy. Peanut butter banana pie can provide a good source of energy due to its combination of carbohydrates from bananas and healthy fats and protein from peanut butter. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.